Essential Skills Wales is a key component of the qualifications offer for learners in Wales. These post-16 qualifications are taken by different learner groups, from school leavers and apprentices to adults who want to return to learning to benefit their career. Essential Skills Wales qualifications enable learners to progress in their careers or to move on to other qualifications. They also help employers make sure their staff have the skills their organisation needs. Essential Skills Wales qualifications are a vital part of the wider Welsh economy.
I'm a Democratic and Electoral Services apprentice. Part of my role ranges from minuting committee meetings to supporting questions at any time to cabinet members and publishing them on the website, helping in the smooth running of elections in the Newport area and the processing of absent votes and registrations to vote, and also occasionally delivering elections in polling stations. So I've done 2 apprenticeship qualifications in my time at Newport City Council. As part of those qualifications, I've completed essential skills in digital literacy and in communications. Communications especially has been crucial to me in my role. Digital literacy as well has helped me to be more adaptable, to learn new software and to use it effectively in my role. Outside of work, I do volunteering with a local charity. I've been able to help with some of their digital programs and advertising as part of a campaign that they're running. Wnes I rhan o cymwysterau mewn sgiliau cyfathrebu yn Gymraeg. Wnes I cyflwyniad ar y hanes erfynwy mewn Gymraeg. Mae helpu fi I defnyddio mwy Gymraeg.
Mae'n bwysig bod dysgwyr fel Joseph yn cael y cyfle I ddefnyddio'u Cymraeg ac sefyll rhan o'i cymwyster sgiliau hanfodol trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg.
So I'm doing my digital literacy, my maths, and then I'm also doing my digital learning practitioner role. So I'm looking to progress in my career. I found the essential skills very beneficial within work and outside of work. I was able to get a level 2 application of number, which is equivalent to a level C in a maths GCSE.
Most of my learners are absolutely terrified of maths in particular when I first meet them, because they've had that really bad experience. And then you saw Holly earlier when she knew that she'd passed it, and she's got that grade now for life and she can take it wherever she needs. And she doesn't have that barrier to it anymore. She's not scared of it anymore. And that's what I like most about the job, is that you get them to see that they can do it and there are people out there that can support them and get them through. Because I had a really bad experience of maths when I was in school, and I know exactly how they feel when they come to us, and it's just getting them on board and knowing that we've been through that experience as well, and we know how to support them and make them feel like more comfortable that they can do it. They just need the right person to be with them.
Mae Cymru'n genedl ddwyieithog, ac fel sefydliad, rydyn ni'n falch o gefnogi'r nod o gyflawni 1 miliwn o siaradwyr Cymraeg. Llynedd, cyhoeddon ni ein strategaeth Cymraeg ar gyfer y 5 mlynedd nesaf. Mae'n garreg filltir bwysig sy'n dangos ein bod wedi ymrwymo i rhoi'r Gymraeg a dwyieithrwydd wrth raidd y system gymwysterau. Rydyn ni hefyd wedi ymrwymo I gynyddu ystod ac argeiledd cymwysterau cyfrwng Cymraeg. Bydd hyn yn galluogi cynifer o ddysgwyr a phosibl I sefyll cymwysterau yn yr iaith o'i dewis. Felly mae'n bwysig bod cymwysterau sgiliau hanfodol yn cael eu cyflwyno a'i sefyll yn y Gymraeg yn ogystal ac yn Saesneg.
Dwi'n gweithio fel apprentice mewn cyflogwyr glanhau. Dwi'n gwneud cymhwysol rif ar hyn o bryd. Es I ysgol Gymraeg, felly cael y profiad I wneud y cymhwyster mewn Cymraeg roedd yn gwych achos doedd Saesneg ddim yn naturiol I mi. Dwi eisiau datblygu am fy swydd, felly mae Sgiliau Hanfodol Cymru yn rhoi fi y cyfle I gwneud hwn. Gobeithio bydd fi'n gorffen y cymwyster yma erbyn y Hydref. Yn fy swydd, dwi'n delio gyda ffigurau ariannol mewn bywyd pob dydd, felly mae'r cymwyster yma wedi fod yn defnyddiol I fi.
Somebody said to me the other day that they had maths to do in their job, someone in the care sector, and they said to me, I always pass it on to someone else because I don't want to make a mistake, or I don't want them to see that I can't do what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm not confident enough to do it. And I think with these qualifications, it gives them that confidence to do their job and not be afraid of getting things wrong.
It's so rewarding to see people succeed with essential skills. I love it when they come on board and they start at their level 1 and they complete their level 1 comms and AON, and they found it a challenge but they did it. And then you suddenly see the year later they're with you again doing their level 2. It's really lovely to see the progression and the confidence. It's the best part of the job.